if you come from Westmoreland, one can hear if you talk and say, Copie, what's my name? He said, my name Glenroy Scott, you know, and the man said, Lord God, Glenroy Scott, my name for you, you know.
Right.
And he said, what kind of work you do? He might tell you what kind of work you do, you know. Copie. You know, you ever watch Chucky show?
Yes.
Or something like that.
So where did the name Copie come from?
Boy, I mean, I really know where it come from, you know. But
who started to call it Copie?
boy, people in the village start call it Copie, you know.
Okay.
The guitar name, it's a Copie. But I mean, I don't know where it come from. I just so we know the name Copie. And so me hear them call it Copie.
And it was, whatever it was just in the yard, it didn't come out?
I'm going to tell you a little story.
All right, ready now.
When the people in there and Copie say, "Uno no hungry? Uno there from where they are, uno no hungry? All right, look here." And Copie start dash out bun and bulla. Like in me saying go for the lady shop, but take out the lady bun and bulla out and glass gate and dash it all about the place and say, "Uno see bulla and bulla." All right. When we did that one morning, Copie in the in all music, you know. If you tell him sing some music, Copie cut some bit of music.
What kind of music?
Christian music, reggae music, calypso. Any one of them, you tell Copie sing that. I just stop me, I tell you what me hear from me years, you know, my girl. Because I have the access to go there daily. One yard, they don't get out, me tell you what man gamble. One brother start sell bread and callaloo and fried dumpling. And the man make millions of dollars out of it, you know. All right. When we got the door, it's a board house. It's a board house. And Copie start, because some of the board ain't get rotten. And because, you know, the man no did their daytime, you know.
Mr. Brown?
You know, did their daytime, got bush of daytime.
So the granddaughter is at the house?
Granddaughter and the grandmother.
Right.
At them, the Duppy, at them, and them Copie a plague. Because the man know what go on. Then gone and bush, because from him get released, he no control over him again. You get me?
Right.
He no control over him again. Like when the man go buy the Dahlia, the Chucky, the Dahlia, the pet shop.
Yes.
And go put in there, he no control over him.
Right.
And that's why that Chucky gets so bad, you know.
Right.
All right.
So has anybody seen him, or he was just like in the Chucky film, the spirit of Chucky was inhabiting a doll?
I go come to you now.
All right.
When we got it, we did that, you come out of my yard. You come out of my yard. You see not up in my yard. Copie say, shut up your what's it, mouth, Miss Brown. Yeah, you know. I want to maybe talk a little bit.
Talk it, man.
Chucky say, you go and turn there. You pum grey, hear Miss Brown said, shut up your dancing mouth. You do damn right. See what's up, Miss Brown. I said, come in now for that, man. I said, me I tell you reality, come and did it, my girl.
You witness it.
Yeah, man. When Copie said, you don't want to see me? You don't want to see me? You don't never see me? We say, yes, Copie, we want to see you, man. And Copie in the house, a board house, you know, board floor. I jump up and I go on with some dangerous thing. We say, Copie, make we see you, know. Copie said, no, man. Never make you see me hand. And Copie shook down my hand against the board and we see me sit from yaso to yaso hand. And then join on. They don't walk their finger, they don't walk the join on like how you see dolly baby finger. But they can't move so.
Oh.
That's the only part of Copie me see. You know make you see anybody. Copie no say you see me and he have a year, Copie and full of year too and like me in the box to till I name I get a wall. But through the box underneath the bed and the dryer, because enough years the man come from England, you know. And did and for him come in carried and put it on. Not his wife good and him know say it under there. So he escaped now and cause the problem. Hell of a problem. After that now, people start hear about Copie. All right. The policeman them up Trinityville here said something go on a fountain like that. Police McDonald, and one named Chambers, and one named Lumsden. Me now forgot them three police. That time them a drive one jeep with them car jump out. It now no top. And then come up with them long gun. Come park right down there, so then come park. And then come up, Mr. McDonald come up and say, what go on in a fountain here, we hear what go on. Copie say, shut your watch it mouth. Yeah, policeman go over back a station. You police them. Then hear what Copie say, shut your watch it mouth. Because what you know, wicked man. And them say, no, this thing are going bad. Miss Brown usually go market a seafood. And he usually take, down a bus.
Yes.
And run bus.
Yes.
All right. Miss Brown usually take Mr. Run bus out of the crossroad when we come in, because then usually walk.
Go down
on the crossroad. When Miss Brown go in on the bus, and the bus reach out on the bridge, I'm showing the Niagara River Bridge. The bus stop. When the bus stop, the people then start to come out of the bus. Yeah, Copie in the bus side of Miss Brown. Miss Brown sit down in the bus. Me say the driver come out of the bus and I know I'm walking on the bus, Let Miss Brown ban and Copie in the bus.
I wonder why he Copie took a set on just the women.
Because the man of the womb. Copie kill the man of bush,
Really?
Copie kill that man of bush. Because Copie said Mr. Brown have been too long. And I expose him. And one day them go under the bush, go find him dead in the bush. All right. Them pair of people that will get anything in this world, but they not receive nothing from nobody. And that's why people suspect say, I know Duppy, I know hobby of them, them a work. Because them give anything them have, but then don't receive.
The Browns?
Yeah, that family.
Yeah.
And then go some nice gun pitting them, A nice gun pitting them go. But eventually, boy, I don't know where they come across to that. So, but he's not a Duppy. He's a genie.
Genie?
Yeah, man. Because them time in England, people used to have genie to do certain things, in England, Them work science of England hard with genie and them things there, May I tell you? Yeah. If you should go through your history and check about England, I have lots of witchcraft work in England, man. Blackheart. Them have a Bible, them called the Blackheart Bible. Most man, but you see, have enough thing. And the Blackheart, them study, if you get certain thing, In a them time there. But nowadays, no man not really go through them things if he really. Man all kill him wife or kill him son. Forget gold and them way there. Sacrifice. Golden time gone. So the man carried, come down here. But the box get dry rat and he go shoot the broom underneath and it bounce up on. He something jump out and say, thank you, Marva, thank you. You release me. From that. A month that thing a go on in a fountain, nearly 3 months, Night and day vehicle there, I say, my girl. Night and day, I say, vehicle there, so. People from Westmoreland and over Chilani come for your Copie.